PV Sunil from Mumbai. I am a 56-year-old. I've been a managing director of a large group company, and everything going great. I felt everything is fine. But in 2012, I had my heart attack, and thanks to the modern medicines, they put a stent, and I became all right. And doctor told me to take all these medicines every day without fail and do exercises, etc. For my unfortunate situation, I got another attack next year, so I got 2 more stents. And yet another one in 2018, I got 5 stents at this stage. So I felt though I am able to do all my jobs, I felt things are not in control. I had a backache, I had a lower back surgery. So that's so. But we have been trying out various programs, and some or other results have been coming. That's how my wife came across this particular Shatavishek in Facebook. We thought, let us give it a try also. So first 3 hours we attended there. I felt that I should give a fair trial to this activity also. So we enrolled in next 6 days program, and that 6 days program literally changed my life. I would say a person like this who used to eat 4 times a day, being South Indian, regular non-veg, etc., simply reduced my food intake by 50%. Now I am traveling outside in Dubai, etc. All my travel also I am able to continue the same kind of food intake, which is hardly 50% or so, but my energy is much more at this stage. So thank you, JJ sir. Thanks a lot to you.